New York.
Are you all right, mate?
Australian.
Are you all right, mate?
Welsh.
Are you all right, mate?
French.
Are you all right, mate?
Southern.
Are you all right, mate?
Jamaican.
Are you all right, mate?
West Country.
Are you all right, mate?
Spanish.
Are you all right, mate?
Canadian.
Are you all right, buddy?
Dutch.
So, are you all right, mate?
American.
Oh my stomach is rumbling.
American.
Okay, I will post that in a few days. So that is done. Okay, lots of people commenting. I like that a lot. Lots of people watching
American.
that video. I appreciate you. Okay.